Why people are not motivated towards their fitness. Friends, imagine for a moment that going into a gym or jogging, lifting weight is not a task for you, but it is in your habit. Then maybe your fitness level would be on the another level, but not as per the right status. Friends, it is not your fault. It is the fault of our habits and our slow metabolism which makes us unfit and more older than our current age. Friends, today in this video, I will tell you about some of the reasons that why people are not motivated towards their fitness. If you can resonate with yourself, then do let me know. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their weight. I help them to achieve their dream personality. I give them the tools so that they can have an extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, if we talk about the fitness, then fitness is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. Whether you are 80-year-old or whether you are 20-year-old, you should carry some kind of fitness in your life if you want to achieve some success in your life. Everyone who is successful, who is among the 6% of this world, they know the meaning of fitness, because a fit mind lives in a fit body. But although after knowing all these things, why fitness is not our habit, why fitness is we need to achieve something, we need to make ourselves for something, we need to prepare ourselves for something. I remember that the same thing happened with me also. But my father was having some kind of a exercise into him, and I have inherited the weightlifting from him. But the science behind the diet and the way I am doing my workout is far more than my parents. Friends, the same thing is automatically inherited by my son also. Friends, basically for the motivation, I have found out three reasons which I have seen in my life. The number one reason is that you don't have knowledge about the fitness and diet. Friends, fitness and diet is not a big task. So many dietitians, so many nutritionists just trying to grab the money from the people on the name of the fitness, and what they do, they just give you the calorie deficit diet and nothing else, and no reason behind it. I always wanted to know that why this diet, why not this diet, but no nutritionist or dietitianist was able to help me out on this. That's why I have taken the charge, and now I know that what kind of diet works and what kind of diet does not work. In the same way, friends, now if I have the knowledge about the fitness, then I know how to apply that knowledge in my life. Although still I'm learning about fitness and workouts with other international coaches. Friends, so gain some knowledge. Once you have the knowledge about the subject, then you will have the confidence about it. Once you know how to ride the bicycle, fail many times, fall many times, but get up and start riding. Once you know that how to hold the bat, then you can make the sixes. The second reason, the second people why people are not motivated, just because they are not accountable for someone. Friends, accountability is a task. Basically, let's say if you are not going to go to your gym, then you have to pay 100 rupees, or 100 rupees will be deducted from your salary. Then how are you going to react to your fitness? Definitely you will go to gym. The accountability is the thing. Now let's say that this video is a paid video. Just imagine that this video would be the paid video. Then how you will react? You will be more serious. Although you are serious, that's why you are listening to me till this time. But accountability is more important. Maybe it will be really hard for someone to be accountable, but once I paid money to nutritionist, once I paid money to dietitianist, I failed. But I became accountable, because on every failing, whenever I used to get fail, it gives me some kind of a positive pressure to rise myself up, So that's why today I'm helping out the people who got failed in their dieting and fitness regime. That's why accountability is very important. The third thing, why you are not motivated, because no one is here to hold your hands. Friends, fitness is an atmosphere that if you have a fitness atmosphere in your family, then definitely you don't need to achieve fitness. You will be automatically fit. You only have the fit food nutrients in your home, you only have the fit stocks in your home, and your mind is developed in a fitness form. My son, he doesn't even know about the tea and what is the tea, because he has never seen me consuming tea. But I used to consume tea, but not yet. So that's why this is the thing. That my child is going to be very surprised for someone who is fond of tea. But only I understand what is the meaning of tea. It used to be for me. I failed many times, but no one was there to handhold me. I have learned after my failing. Just because I got failed, I learned a lot that this is not the way. I consumed the complex carbohydrate, but it was not working. I was consuming only protein, it was not working. I was doing only keto, but it was not working. I was doing only intermittent, but it was not working. It was not working because it was not my fault. It was the fault of my hormone system. It was the fault of my slow metabolism and my habits. So friends, these are some of the 3 things. If you adapt in your life, maybe you can have the motivation to adapt fitness in your life. Friends, what I have bring to you the 5-day WhatsApp class, in which I'm going to give you the exercise schedules, and I'm going to be live with you at morning at 7 a.m. for 15 to 20 minutes, where I'm going to provide you home workouts, and you're going to get the recorded videos of the diet and the mindset behind the exercise. I'm going to charge you only 299 rupees for this. Link I'm giving you in the description. If you resonate yourself with any of this, and if you want to start your health journey in these 5 days, it will help you out in just 299 rupees to carry on your fitness for your whole life. Friends, this is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness, and I'll see you on other side.